Woo, doggone. Folks, thanks for stopping back by the shop. We got trouble this morning. Get ready to crank old pressure washer. First thing happens, I got a rope in one hand and a wish in another. Then the phone rang at that doggone shop Willie. He called. He said he can't come in the shop today. His dog got a flea. Boy got more excuses. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move over to the bench. I'm gonna show you how we put this back together. All right. Things a little worse for wear. Clean it up later. Gotta get, let's go and pull this old rope out. Save that, gonna need it. Go ahead and rewind your spring. Facing, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise till the dogs poke out. Keep turning. Don't go too far. You'll know that old spring starts to feel a little tight. Got your inlet here where your rope's gonna go, and you need to tie a knot right here. I'm gonna rotate it around till them two line up. I usually like to just stick a little something through there holding it. Keep it from getting away from it. Yeah, get you the appropriate size rope. It does come in different sizes. I like to throw a little flame on the end of it. Get that thing nice and straightened out. Just run that thing right through that hole. Bring it in. I just tie a simple little old knot. Thing's a little hot. Cinch that down. You don't want it pulling out with you. Pull it down and seat that knot right back in there. There you go. Now, we're gonna pull this out. Let it take what line it'll take. It's that simple. Give it a snip. Once again, I like to burn that in. Just keeps it from fraying. That handle you saved, get him back up on there. Just a nice little knot tied back in it. And check it. Make sure it ain't sloppy. Make sure it retracts all the way. And that right there, that'll last a while. All right, that wraps that up right there. That's gonna work. Paint's still a little tacky. We're gonna let it cure. I'm gonna stick it back on. Hey, the recoils are pretty much the same on a lot of 4-stroke small engines. Take a look at yours, it's probably real similar. Probably put it together just like this one did. I gotta run. Willie called back. He says, I gotta go get him some flea shampoo for his dog. He's all beside himself and don't know what to do. So I'm gonna run get that, come back, I'll put that thing on that pressure washer, and I'm gonna go to work. Thanks for checking us out today. Found it informative and think it'll help you out in any way. Give us one of them there thumbs up. One who subscribes ain't gonna hurt.